Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a 200 EMA on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software and choose your currency. For me, I will use the Euro USD. Okay. Now go to Insert and choose Indicators. Then after that, Trends. Then go to Moving Average. After that, you will see here period. So choose the period you want. For the sake of this video, we're gonna choose 200, as I said. So if you found here 10 or 50 or anything, just type 200. On the method, you have to choose exponential, this one. And after that, you can change the color if you want. So let's choose a color. Let's say green, for example, this one. And here you can change the thickness of the line. So let's say this one, for example, and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 200 EMA. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.